What's going on, YouTube? Today, brother and I are going to go do some roof washing. Got the trailer all loaded up. We're heading to the job site. We just got some ice for a cooler. We got big jobs to do today. Is that right, bro?
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Got how many roofs we doing today?
We're going to be doing, I believe it's 8 roofs and 2 or 3 sheds. So we're going to see if we can get them all done today. But this will not be all in one video, so you're going to have to kind of watch. We're going to put a couple roof washes together per video, so make sure you check them all out. But we're heading out to the lake. It's going to be beautiful, awesome weather.
We got 70-degree weather in November.
Yeah, November, 70-degree weather. We're going to be on the lake all day. Hell, we might even get lucky and the guy takes us on a boat ride. So we're going to see how the day goes. But we're going to get to the job site, and then we're going to show you some of the action. Show you guys the setup, and then show you how to clean that moss.
See you there.
Later, guys. So beautiful. Okay, we got to the job site. We're getting all dialed in. A lot of steps. Look at that. This is going to be one of our first roofs. Big A-frame. You can see all the blackness and the mold. See all that green mold, algae all up in there. We'll get all that taken care of. Nice steep roof. Beautiful lake. Alright, let's get to work. We're gonna blow all these leaves off that we can. Trying to stay on the ground as much as possible. Alright, we got this set up. Got our lines ran all the way to that A-frame. We just started working it. It's 10:10. There's our setup. And then this is where we're working at. Watch our steps. Such a pretty view. Gotta watch my steps so I don't trip and fall. This is where we're going to be working at right now. We're going to hit this, and then we got to hit this boat dock. We'll see how long this one will take us. It's already killing it. It's already killing it. Look at that. It's like a snail race up there. That's what we want to see. It's already dying. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Groundskeeper's got to make sure he's got plenty of water for everything so we can dilute it. Looking good. Looking good. That stuff is dying instantly. Ain't that right, bro? Dying instantly. It's dying instantly. Ain't that right? So we just came into a little problem. We're leaking right there. Got it all over our stuff, so I want to take a few minutes, get this dialed back in. Luckily we got some parts. Hopefully get this fixed pretty quick so we can get back. We got a lot of stuff to do today. Got half that roof done and realized we got a little leak, so unfortunately, it's part of the game, man. Gonna have problems. Gotta work through them. Don't let them stress you out. Just fix them and move forward. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we think we got it fixed. We got a little rag there just to make sure it don't leak on us again. And then of course our tank here started leaking, so hey, it's part of it. Ain't that right, Isaac? It's just part of it. He's ready to go. He's calling it. We'll get through this. Alright, we started. You can almost see it from here. We started the roof a little bit over there just to dial everything in. Looks like we're getting nice and suds. So let's get back to work, guys. We gotta get something done today. Alright, we're gonna do a little time lapse for this final part so you can watch it get all suddy. Look how slow those are going. That's what we want to see. It's looking good. Looking good. Alright guys, we got done. It's 11:30, so just over an hour and 20 minutes on this big A-frame house. But we also had some problems, so it wasn't too bad. Not too bad at all. So let me switch the camera around and let you guys get a check of it and see what it looks like. You can kind of see behind me, but let me switch the camera around and that way you can see a better picture of it. It's all done. we went ahead and check the other side. It's easy to see the sun's not hitting it. But all dead. That corner right there. That all come off. After good rain, that'll come off real good. Look at that. Say bye-bye moss. Isaac's over there getting all the hoses ready for the boathouse. That's where we're heading next. We're gonna get this boathouse cleaned. It's not too bad, so that'd be pretty easy. But here's the other side. Watch my step, make sure I don't fall on. Fell 5 times already. Busted my knee. Check out some of these before and after pictures of the A-frame house that we did the roof washing on. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching the Brothers Barn. And please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And leave us some comments if you got any suggestions on what we should do or got some questions on what we did do. Don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section, and make sure you check out the other videos from all these houses that we're doing on the lake house. So make sure you guys check those out. Until next time, later everyone.